So good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hope so
Good
you all
morning,
are
ma'am.
doing fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How about you?
Yeah, doing good. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to start with something new. Now, before we start, just to have a look. So what do you see on the screen here? It is about National Bravery Award. National Bravery Award. See, the National Bravery Awards are a set of awards given annually to about 25 Indian children below 16 years of age for meritorious acts of bravery against all odds. The awards are given by the Government of India and the Indian Council for Child Welfare. The award was instituted in 1957. So today what are we going to learn? You might have got an idea. In the last class, I had given you an introduction about the lesson. Do you remember that? Do you remember?
Yes,
Hope so
ma'am.
you remember. So we are going to learn about this worksheet in detail. What is the heading? It is the National Bravery Award. So please take the page number 27. We are going to learn about these awards and about the children who have got awards for what? For their courageous action. Courageous action where they saved the life of many other people without thinking about their own life. They put their life in risk and saved the life of somebody else. Okay, so what is the topic? The National Bravery Awards. We are going to start with the National Bravery Awards. And what are these awards? These are set of awards which are given every year. Annually means what? Which are given every year to about 25 children below the age of 16 for their courageous action, meritorious acts of bravery against all odds. Against all odds means what? How they behaved, how they saved the life of somebody else in a dangerous situation. So how are these, who give these awards? These awards are given by the Government of India and along with the Indian Council for Child Welfare. And when did they start? They started in the year 1957.
1957.
Okay, so hope so you might have got an idea. Now look at the first one. On October 2nd, what happened? On October 2nd, one incident took place at Red Fort.
Nambo.
Yeah. So what do you see on the screen here? What do you see on the screen?
Red Fort.
Red Fort. So when am I talking about, take a pencil and just start underlining all the important years. So on October 2nd, 1957, what happened? A particular incident took place at the Red Fort. What happened to Red Fort? Red Fort in Delhi was on fire. It caught fire. Because of short circuit, there was fire, and there was a tent where hundreds of people were there at a particular program, to attend a particular program. Okay, on 2nd October 1957, a tent in which hundreds of people had gathered to watch a performance at the Red Fort in Delhi caught fire. So as I told you, on 2nd October 1957, hundreds of people had gathered at Red Fort to watch a particular performance. So unfortunately, what happened? Because of short circuit, it was Red Fort, not Red Fort, the tent was on fire. The tent caught fire. So in this situation, what did Harish Chandra do, who was 14 years old? This particular child, without wasting time, with lot of courage, what did he do? He just took a knife and cut open the tent. And he helped the people to run away from the fire. So what did he do there? He saved the life of hundreds of people. And there was a special guest who was attending this program that day. Do you know who is that?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru was attending the program. And when he came to know about this particular child, he was extremely happy, right? 14-year-old Harish Chandra wasted no time. He used a knife to cut open the burning tent, freeing the people trapped inside. An important guest who was the Who was at the event? Jawaharlal Nehru heard of Harish courageous act. So what did Jawaharlal Nehru do? He heard about this boy who was only 14 years old. He heard about his courageous act. The following year, Harish Chandra was presented with India's first National Bravery Award. What is the meaning of the following year? This incident took place in the year 1957. So following year means what?
That year?
That, ma'am. That year onwards.
In 19?
An year after. In 1958.
Yes, in 1958, Harish Chandra was given for the first time, he was presented with India's first National Bravery Award. Please underline. So Harish Chandra of 14, he was the one who got the National Bravery Award for the first time. Okay. Since then, the tradition of recognizing and awarding courageous acts by children has been continued by the Government of India and Indian Council for Child Welfare. So from then onwards, right from 1958 till now, this tradition is being followed, and every year 25 children are awarded with this National Bravery Award, which is being continued by the Government of India and Indian Council for Child Welfare. Now, according to you, what is bravery? What do you think? What is bravery?
Ma'am, bravery means
Ah,
something happens.
yes, Anthony, you think?
Not
I'll come back to you.
scared.
I'll come back to you. That may be better.
Not scared. Act of courage.
Okay, okay. So, according to you, what is bravery?
State of mind.
State of mind, that is what is given in your textbook. I want you to talk. According to you, what is bravery? What do you think? What is bravery?
Ma'am, we need to. Ma'am, we need to.
Bravery.
No fear to do anything.
Bravery under
Okay,
fire.
absence of fear. So according to your
And
friends, they
courage.
say it is, something absence of fear. Yes, Anushri. Anushri has got something.
Ma'am.
Anushri is waiting very patiently from long time. Yes, Anushri.
Ma'am, like sacrificing for others without thinking about ourselves.
Okay, 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 okay.
Courage.
So here in your textbook, what is the meaning of bravery? Bravery is a state of mind, how you feel or how you act during a particular period of time, or how a person is feeling during a particular period of time. So look at the mindset of Harish Chandra when he saw that hundreds of people are struggling just because of fire. What did he do? If he wanted, he would have left the situation, right? He didn't leave there. He just gave a thought to save the life of hundreds of people. He just cut open the tent and freed the people. So what is the meaning of bravery? Bravery is a state of mind, how we feel during a particular period of time. Suppose if my beloved ones are in danger, in a dangerous situation, what happens there? I am compelled to act. Am I right? You just imagine now, I and my sister were walking and my sister fell down in the water and she doesn't know swimming. I am just standing near the shore and I can see my sister drowning there. Will I simply stand folding my hands looking at the situation?
No, ma'am.
No.
ma'am. Try to save
I will try my maximum, right? Either I will jump, though I don't know swimming, somehow I just want to save my sister. So either I will jump or else I will just ask someone to help, right? Somehow, by hook or crook, I somehow try to save my sister. Okay, so here Harishchandra did the same thing when he saw the tent on fire. Okay, so what did I say? What is bravery? Bravery is a
State of
mind, how we feel during a particular period of time. A healthy body helps, but the prime moving force is the mind. So of course, healthy body is very much important, it's very much needed, but what is more important? Mind, healthy mind. That is the prime moving force. What is the meaning of prime moving force? Means what? The main thing that makes matters move forward.
Forward.
Though I am physically ready, if mentally I don't have any courage, will I do any courageous act?
No, ma'am.
No. So we should have a strong mind in strong body. Therefore, we need to make the mind strong, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he presented the National Bravery Awards to some of the India's most courageous children. So as he was presenting the award for India's most courageous children, what did he say? He told, bravery is a state of mind, a healthy body helps, but the prime moving force is the mind. So here are some inspiring stories from 2015.
Ma'am, Aaron was asking. Can I share?
Yes, Fia, of course you can. Just listen to Fia now, okay?
The number can you share? 27. Ma'am, see?
Yes, Fia.
Ma'am. Hi, I'm Fia Maria. Today I'm going to present my seminar based on worksheet 5. Sumit Mumkin, a class 9 student or government inter college Bhagavat from Raipur block, ma'am, at Raj Bhavan on Monday. This 15 years old Sumit, who has been honored with the Sanchi Chopra National Bravery Award on 2016. Ma'am, can you hear?
Yes, Fia, I can hear. We can hear.
This is Sumit Mumkin with his father. He earned this bravery award on 2016. This is another picture of he is awarded this bravery award. Sumit Mumkin with his father, who will be honored with the Sanchi Chopra Award for Bravery 2016 at a press conference in New Delhi on Tuesday. He displayed outstanding bravery in fighting a leopard to save his cousin's life. Thank you.
Okay, my dear Fia, thank you. Thanks a lot. Well done. Yes, so he was given this award in the year 2016. Okay, you have to take care of all these slight mistakes. Okay, Fia, well done. So as she showed, what did she tell us? She told us about Sumit Mumkin, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am ready, ma'am.
Sumit Mumkin, 15 years old, Uttarakhand. When Sumit Mumkin's older cousin, so what happened? When Sumit Mumkin's older cousin was attacked by a leopard, what did he do? Did he run away from the situation? No. What is the name of his cousin? His cousin is Ritesh. Ritesh actually told him, my dear Sumit, you just leave the place, because Ritesh was knowing that his life is in danger. He didn't want to put the life of Sumit even in danger. So what did he say? You just leave the place. Ritesh told Sumit, right? But did Sumit leave the place? No. Very courageously,
decided to fight.
he acted. And what did he do? He took a sickle. It is a kind of knife which is used to cut the grains and the grass. He just took the sickle and he started hitting. Where? On the tail of the leopard. And what did the leopard do when he started hitting? He just started attacking Sumit, but Sumit did not give up. What did Sumit do? Sumit collected a few stones and he started attacking the leopard by throwing the stones. What did the leopard do at last? Leopard gave up and just leopard left the place.
Ma'am, can I do my seminar?
Okay, so what did I say now? Let me read out. When Sumit Mumkin's older cousin Ritesh was being dragged by a leopard, Ritesh was dragged away by a leopard. He told Sumit to run away, but Sumit decided to fight the leopard and save his cousin's life. Holding the leopard's tail, he hit with a sickle. When the leopard tried to attack him, he threw stones at the animal till it finally ran away. For his incredible courage, underline the word incredible. What is the meaning of the word incredible? Incredible means impossible to believe. What is the meaning of incredible? Incredible means impossible to believe. Please write and take. I want you to write and take the meaning of incredible. Incredible, impossible to believe. Now, suppose if you were there in the situation, in this particular situation, what would you do? Aaron, what would you do? You just imagine now in front of your eyes, your cousin is being attacked by a leopard and he's asking you to leave the place. Aaron, what would you do, Aaron? Be honest, just give me the answer. There is no need of thinking there. Whatever you feel, you are free to answer.
I would throw stones at that leopard and I would call for help.
Aaron, why don't you be a little bit louder, my dear?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Aaron, I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am. I would throw stones at the leopard and call for help.
Okay, okay. So simply he would not quit. He would try his maximum to save the life of the cousin. Okay, that's a good point. Now look at the next one. Look at the, take the page number 28. So what did he do? He's holding the leopard's tail.
Meaning of
Holding the leopard's tail, he hit with a sickle. What is the meaning of a sickle? A tool with a short handle and a curved blade used for cutting grass and grain. When the leopard tried to attack him, he threw stones at the animal till it finally ran away. For his incredible courage, for his unbelievable courage. This, I'm not talking about a cat or a dog or a rat here or a rabbit here. I'm talking about a leopard. So what happened here? What happened for his unbelievable courage? What am I talking about here? I'm talking about a leopard, a ferocious animal which has got sharp teeth and sharp claws. One bite or one attack is enough to take away a life, right? So here, what did he do? He just didn't run away. He threw the stones. Okay. Sumit was awarded the Sanjay Chopra Award. Underline that. Sanjay Chopra Award. He was given the Sanjay Chopra Award. And this Sanjay Chopra Award and Geeta Chopra Award. Listen very carefully when I ask some question about this. Don't say Miss did not say. Okay, ma'am did not say. Just listen. So Sanjay Chopra Award and Geeta Chopra Award are given in the memory of these two Chopra children. Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra, they were kidnapped. They were kidnapped, so they lost their life confronting the kidnappers. When they were fighting with the kidnappers, somewhere they were trying to quit, trying to escape from the situation, they lost their life. So in the memory of these two children, this Sanjay Chopra Award and Geeta Chopra Award is given. Sanjay Chopra Award is given to a boy and Geeta Chopra Award is given to a girl. Hope so it's clear to you. Now look at the next one. Badrunisa KP, 17 years old, Kerala. Okay. Daniel, my dear, please continue. Now look at the next one. Badrunisa KP, 17 years old, Kerala. What did this girl do? What did this girl do on 4th May 2015? 15-year-old Vismaya and her mother had gone to a pond to take a bath. The girl slipped into the water and started drowning. Her mother, Raji, jumped in to rescue her but started drowning too. Seeing this, Badrunisa immediately jumped into the deep pond to rescue her friend and her mother and pull them to safety. So what happened now? Badrunisa from Kerala. So what did she do? Yeah, she saved the life of Vismaya along with her mother, Raji. So Vismaya and her mother, where did they go? They went to a pond which was very deep, right? Once we hear the word pond, we may think only, it's not much deep, but it was almost so many feet deep. So by mistake or unfortunately, what happened to Vismaya? She slipped and she just fell. You just imagine yourself getting slipped and, falling in the water and there is no one to help. You just imagine the situation then. It's too terrible, right? We can't even imagine the situation there. So here, what did mother do? What did mother do? Her mother Raji, she didn't stand there. She did not wait for anybody to help. What did she do? All of a sudden, she also jumped. And she wanted to save her daughter who was getting drowned, who was drowning. But unfortunately, both mother and daughter started to drown. So what did Badrunnisa do? Badrunnisa, even without thinking, she jumped into the deep pond and she pulled mother and daughter to safety. She was able to save the life of Vismaya and Raji. Is there anyone who has done any kind of courageous act, any daring act where you have helped someone to come out of a trouble? Just think, I will ask you at the end of the class. Okay, so that is about Badrunnisa who saved the life of Vismaya and Raji. The last one we have Ram Dintara, 15 years old, from Mizoram. What did he do? On 2nd January 2015, Ram Dintara saved 2 boys who were stuck on a transformer fence. Have you seen a transformer? It's very common, right? What is the
Yes,
meaning of a
ma'am.
transformer? Transformer means what?
Ma'am, electricity.
It's given in your book. Why don't you read from the book? Device
Device
that changes the voltage of electrical energy. Device that changes the voltage of electrical energy. So there was a fence here. What did this Ramdintara see? He saw that 2 boys were stuck somehow on the transformer fence. If this child wanted, 15 years child, he would have simply gone away, right? But he didn't do that. What did he do? Ramdindar was walking past the transformer when he saw the 2 boys were struggling to free themselves after falling on the fence. So somehow they were stuck. Somehow they fell on the transformer fence and they were trying to free themselves. But they were not able to because it is made up of string. Do you remember when I was teaching the lesson and grandpa fights an ostrich? I had showed you the picture of a fence there, right? So
Yes,
somehow
ma'am.
they were not able to free themselves. What did Ramdintara do then? He overcame his fear in just a few seconds and grabbed them by their hair to pull them up. So what is Ramdintara do? Ramdintara, looking at the situation, he also was scared. But he somehow overcame his fear and he helped those 2 people. How? He grabbed them by pulling them their hair. Okay, and he received the Bapu Gaidani Award. Which award did he receive? Please underline that. Bapu Gaidani Award. Okay, so these are the stories of few children who acted courageously, who acted bravely and saved the life of many people, right? So this Bapu Gaidani Award was started in the year 1980. Please write and take. Okay, Sanjay Chopra, LT and Ramdintara received the Bapu Gaidani Award. Underline that and just write the year 1980. 1980. Then Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Awards were started in the year 1978. 1978. Now, after listening to the courageous acts of all these children, how do you feel? How do you feel?
Can you share the
Are you
years?
scared? Do you feel inspired? Are you ready to save the life of people when they are in trouble? How do you feel? I want each one to talk. Please don't talk together. Okay, Fia has got something to say. Tell me, Fia, what is that?
Ma'am, by hearing these stories, I'm so inspired and also proud of them.
Yes, very good. She feels motivated, inspired, and she's proud of them. See, look at the children. Look at their age, 14 years, 17 years, 15 years. It is not much, right? Yes. What about others? How do you feel listening to these stories? These are something real stories. We are not watching a movie or listening to a story which never happened. The stories really happened. A leopard, as I told you, it's not a cat, it's a leopard. And water. And transformer, right? All these situations, fire, the tent, which was on fire, right? So all these situations are dangerous situations, right? But they didn't think about themselves. They just tried to help the people out. Yes, Aaron. Aaron said something. What is that?
It's unbelievable.
What
They
is it?
saved-
What is it, Aaron?
It's unbelievable how they saved the people.
Yeah, that's what. It's very unbelievable, very hard to believe, right? Impossible to believe, but actually this is something which happened. Okay, so we have another session in the afternoon. You have to get ready with the activity, plus you have to read this worksheet and come so that we discuss the related exercises. Is that okay, my dear children?
Okay,
Ma'am.
Guys, present, ma'am.
So my dear children, as I told you, we will have a discussion. Please get ready and be present for the another class in the afternoon. Okay, so bye bye, have a good time.